Okay friends, now we will discuss about the top-down parsing. So top-down parsing can be viewed as an attempt to find a leftmost derivative. Okay, what is the leftmost derivative? We will just talk of an input string. If construct a parse tree for the input string from the root and creating the nodes of the parse tree in pre-order. It may require backtracking, that is making repeated scan of the input string. Okay, so now here we have taken one example, that is a string we have to create. So at first you have S, then by the help of S you got CAD. Okay, so now there are you have two options, either this or this. Okay, suppose you are taking this one. Okay, suppose you are taking this A and B. So in this condition, but your target is this, you have to generate this string. So this CAD, so you are coming C, okay, this is C, actually your answer is this, okay, CAD, but you have got B, so there is a backtracking. Okay, in this condition, so whatever you have taken, that is not your requirement. So in this condition you will leave it, then you will take this one. So if you will take this, okay, if you will take this, then CAD, so your requirement string, it has been generated by the help of this. So there is a problem whether to take this one or this one. Okay, so now we are discussing the top down parser. Actually, what is the top down parser? So whenever you have this one, S is equal to, suppose we have this example, S is equal to ABE and A is equal to B or ABC and B is equal to D, and your string is this. Here we have used, for the top down parsing, we have used leftmost derivative. What is the meaning of leftmost derivative? At first you have S, okay, and by the help of S you are generating, producing AABE, okay, you have produced, okay. After then you have two options, B, ABC, either take left one or right one. Okay, in the top down parsing we are using the leftmost derivative. Okay, here we had the problem, either take this one or this one. Okay, so in the top down parsing we are using the leftmost derivative. So which one is the, here we have also written S is producing AABC, and after then we have written BCDE. It means that in place of A we have written ABC. Okay, so we have written this one. Okay, we have written this one. After then we have written this one. Okay, and in place of B, okay, so this is ABC, we have written in place of, this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, then we have taken this B, then we have taken this B, okay, then we have taken at last D, So now you can see that your string, it has been generated from top to bottom. Okay, so we have used leftmost derivative to drive this, to generate this type of string, whatever our target. Our target was WABBCDE, ABBCDE. Okay, so what you have taken, at first you have taken this one, it produced this one, and after then you have taken this and then this. Okay, and ABC, you have taken ABC, then after then you have taken B. If you will take, in place of A, if you will take B, then it is not possible to get it, you know that, you know? So this is the top down parsing. Now the second one is the bottom up parsing. In the bottom up parsing, what we have done, S is equal to ABE, okay, S is equal to ABE, at first ABE, S is equal to A, something we have written wrong, S is equal to ABE, no, this is wrong, okay, S is equal to A, here is also A and AB, yeah. S is equal to AAB. S is equal to A, B, E. Okay, this. Then we have written A, D. After that, at first we have written D. Okay, rightmost. This one. At first we have done this one, then this one. Okay. D. Then after then nothing is here. Okay. Then we have produced A, B, C. Okay. So in place of A, we have written A, B, C. Okay. We have written A, B, C. In place of A, we have written A, B, C. Here we have written something wrong. Only A. Okay. A, B, C. Then we have written A, B, C. This it has come. Then after then at last B. Okay. Actually this is B. Actually this is A, B, and C. Then at last B. Okay. So both are same, but the way are different. Okay. This and this both are same, but the way are different. So what is this? You can see that here we have done something. So here we have used the rightmost at first, then leftmost. Okay. So okay, now S is producing this one. So by the help of S you have generated this. Okay. So this is the first handler. Okay. Then you have A, B, C. Then after that you have generated by the help of B you produce D. Okay. So by the help of A you produce A, B, C. Then by the help of A you produce B, and you got your string. Okay. So same thing. This is your string. At first A produce B. You know that A produce B. This one we have done at last. Okay. Then B, C, and A. You can see that A, B, C. This is your first. Then it is producing this B. Then A is producing A, B, C. A is producing A, B, C. This is your second handler. Then after then your D it is producing by B. So your D it is producing by B. Then this is your third handler. Then at last you have got your A, B, E. A and B and E. I have done something wrong here. Okay. So by the help of D, at first you have got by the help of B by the help of A you produce B. By the help of this you have produced. Then you have produced A, B, C by the help of A. A, B, C you have produced by the help of A. Then you have produced D by the help of B. Okay, there is B. Okay, you have, this is your third label, third handler. Okay, you have produced this one, and at last A, B, E means this B, A, and this. You have produced this one. So this is the first handler. So there are total number of 4 handlers you have used to generate this one. So this is the bottom to top. Okay, for the bottom to top you have used the rightmost derivative, and for the top down parsing you have used leftmost